Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your iPhone 15 is updated and your carrier allows LTE. Once ready, make sure battery is above 20% and you have connectivity. Now open Settings, tap Cellular and select Cellular Data Options. Don't skip this. It directs you to network mode controls. You're taking control of radio preferences, which affects battery life and coverage. Follow each tap deliberately. Small missteps send you to other menus, so pause and check the screen labels as you go. You now tap Voice and Data, where iOS lists 5G, LTE, and related options. Choose LTE listed as LTE or 4G to force the phone off 5G. You'll see the change immediately in the status bar. If LTE is missing, make sure your carrier plan and eSIM are configured correctly. Sometimes eSIM profiles default to 5G only. Once selected, make sure data mode settings won't override the choice. Some aggressive data modes can prefer fast. Finally, return to the home screen and look at the status bar to confirm LTE appears. That's your proof it worked. If the phone still shows 5G, restart the iPhone. That often forces the carrier profile to apply. If restarting fails, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer or Reset iPhone right arrow reset Network Settings. This clears saved networks and reapplies carrier defaults. If that still doesn't fix it, contact your carrier. Sometimes provisioning must be changed on their side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.